Hi, Gary Port and Sava, family matrimonial law. Gamosha, I don't know, what's your problem? Yuzu? Matcha and Zuki are in the cage. Let's see if they come out for a NutriBerry. Oh, they're getting excited. They see the NutriBerries. I'm doing a quick video. I'm off to Paradise Studios in Massapequa, where I've got a stand-up comedy show going on tonight. Next week, if anyone's interested, on next Saturday, I'll be appearing at the Governor's Club Giggle Room. You looking at me? We're going to discuss something called Pendente Lite orders. That's a very fancy word for a motion that we make while the divorce is pending to get temporary relief. The most typical Pendente Lite motion that we make is for child support, temporary maintenance for the spouse, and sometimes exclusive occupancy of the home. If the parties are living together, the chances are that we will not do a motion for support unless the spouse, who is the breadwinner, is not paying for anything. Then we're going to make a motion. But if the parties are living apart, then we make the motion for support and for maintenance. Child support is based upon the Standards Act. One child 17%, two children 25%, three children 29%. I've got videos and articles up on that. Maintenance is also mathematics. We determine what the lower income spouse is making against the higher income spouse is making. Again, I got videos on that as well as articles. Exclusive occupancy, well, that's a little different. It's not an order of protection. You dropped it. An order of protection is that someone has violated the Family Court Act and it is now dangerous or unsafe to remain together. Exclusive occupancy, there's a different standard there. You get exclusive occupancy in a divorce, you don't get it in family court. Exclusive occupancy is, it's just not emotionally safe for the parties to remain together, so maybe we should separate them. Lower standard, not an order of protection. Can you get it? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Very fact specific. If you think you're eligible for exclusive occupancy, talk it over with me, talk it over with another attorney. Attorney's fees also are part of that. I had to hire an attorney. I had to pay for an attorney to make this motion, and therefore I want my attorney's fees taken. Under the domestic relations law, there is a presumption that the party who makes more money can pay for the party who makes less money's attorney. It's a presumption, and it can be rebutted by the party who makes more money. Again, it's a little complex, and I'm going to go into that probably in another video, and I do have articles on that. But I got to run. I got a show to do. Remember, if you got any questions, give me a call at 516-352-2999. At Port Sava, I try to help you get on with the rest of your life. Right, Matcha?